Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn linear programming with a simple woodshop example. We will decide how many chairs and tables to make to maximize profit. First, let's define the objective function. Each chair earns $20 and each table earns $30. So the profit equation is P equals 20x plus 30y. Now, we write the constraints. Wood, 2x plus 5y is less than or equal to 100. Labor, 4x plus 2y is less than or equal to 80. And x and y must be at least 0. Next, we graph the constraints to find the feasible region. Here are the axes, with x as chairs and y as tables. We draw the wood limit and the labor limit. The overlapping shaded area is the feasible region. Now, we check the corner points. The corners are 0, 0, 0, 20, 20, 0, and 12.5, 15. The intersection of the two lines gives 12.5 and 15. Now, we evaluate profit at each corner. At 0, 0, profit is 0. At 0, 20, profit is 600. At 20, 0, profit is 400. At 12.5, 15, profit is 700. So, the maximum profit is $700. That happens at 12.5 chairs and 15 tables. This is the optimal solution inside the feasible region.